This is Brood 19 of the periodical cicadas. They call this the Great Southern Brood because it is so widespread. They all take 13 years to develop underground as nymphs. And then they come up mid-May or so, and by the end of June, they'll be pretty much done. There's a hypothesis that they're coming out on these 2 years, 13 and 17, because what they have in common is that those are prime numbers. Almost all the exploiters have a 1, 2, or 3 year life cycle. And so you can't depend on the periodical cicadas as a food source. You read about the decibel levels of the periodical cicadas, and Brood 19 is reported to be in the neighborhood of 105 decibels. A chainsaw is 110. Birds are going to take advantage of them as a food source. The fish are keying in on them because they're so numerous. This is one of the strategies that many insects will use. They flood the environment with individuals. Predators get satiated, and so you have a lot of individuals that survive. If you have vegetables or flowering plants or potted plants, they won't bother those at all. They are absolutely harmless, unless you're a tender young branch on a tree, because the females are going to cut slits in those branches to lay eggs, and then that'll eventually kill that branch. Periodical cicadas are nowhere else in the world. This is one of those natural events that just comes along once in a while. It's like the eclipse. It's here for a momentary period of time, and then it's gone.